In this video, I will show you how to fix ChatGPT app chat history missing. So the first thing that you need to do is ensure that you're connected to stable Wi-Fi connection, or you could try switching between mobile data and internet connection. Next thing that you can do is simply tap and hold on to ChatGPT, click on more features, then go to app info. Here click on force stop, then confirm it. After that go to storage uses. Here you will find clear cache written in bright red, click on it. After your cache is clear, simply try to reopen ChatGPT. And if your chat history is still missing, what you can do is click on these two lines right beside Get Plus. Then click on your profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down below and here you might find View Archived Chats, click on it. Sometimes your chats may have been archived here. From here you can simply unarchive it. Now the next very funny mistakes that might be happening is that you might have logged into another account in this device and you might be searching for the conversations that you did on another account. So simply click on these two lines at the top left corner, then click on your profile and make sure that this is exactly the account where your conversation was. Even after all this, if your ChatGPT chat history is still missing, what you can do is simply open ChatGPT. Go to these two lines in the top left corner, click on your profile at the bottom of the screen, then scroll till the end, click on log out, then confirm it, then log back into your account. One last try that you can do is simply tap and hold on to ChatGPT, uninstall it, confirm it, then reinstall your app and it will start working. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.